rain. As y'all can see here, I got new posters, new background, honey. Oh my god. Hello, Catwoman. Okay, Kiki's delivery service, and this bitch right here. She be saying, remember when I asked for your opinion? Me neither. Period. What's up, my lovely queencies? It's your bitch ass queen, Alveen Quinn here. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, cool. So for today's video, bitch, I am gonna be transforming from this to this. Oh my god, yes. Okay, so today I am gonna be showing you how to do the full-on makeup look, including the eyes, lips, everything. And since I already did like my face base, how to do my face base video, if you haven't watched it already, then go watch it, girl. What the fuck are you doing here? This is like a part 2 of that series. So usually if I want to do like my full-on makeup look, I always do my eyes first because from the eyeshadows there are gonna be some fallouts, honey. It's just inescapable, inevitable, honey. So I always do my eyes first and then my face. It's always like that from the dawn of fucking Ice Age until today. That's just how it is. So without further ado, let's get started. Oh my god. There we motherfucking go. My baby hair is growing already. I mean, I shaved like a few days ago, but don't get me wrong, they grow up so fast. They grow up so fast. Alright, so for today, I am gonna do like a pink eye look. And before that, it is always necessary to prime your eyes first before you do your shadows. So for priming, I am going to be using this concealer. It's not an eyeshadow primer, but y'all can change it with your concealer if you don't have any eyeshadow primers, because girl, I am trying to do multi-functionality over here. I'm trying to like give them all the glory that they can. This is the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour in the shade C1, period, with my mirror over here. And then just blend it with your finger. And if you feel like you need more, just add more, you know, like. I'm coming right away, my dear. Oh my god. Okay, so as y'all know, eyeshadow is my favorite part of makeup, and we are gonna get onto it today. For the palette, I am gonna be using Blood Sugar from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, period. Ow, my nose. So, when I do my eyeshadows, I would like first to go to like the mid shade, like middle shade. So there's gonna be like a lighter and a deeper shade, right? So I always go with the middle shade first. So I'm just gonna blend out with the lighter shade later and pack on the deeper shade in the inner part of your eyelid. So it's like, I'll show you how it is. I'll show you how it is. It's easier to show than tell, right? For the brush, I am gonna be using something like that. For the shade, I am gonna go with Prick. This is the middle shade that I'm gonna go first with. So just like pack it on like that and tap it. Remember, every time it's powder, tap it. But for shadows, there are some shadows that, you know, falls out a lot more than the others. So I always like, you know, try and see, like, do a test tap first before you tap too hard. Sometimes it's too powdery, so y'all gotta tap really lightly, really gently, so they don't fall out too much. Because y'all want the color pigment also not too much at first, because y'all want to build it up from the ground up. What is that? Oh my god. so this is the base that we want, right? Perfect. We're gonna do like a half cut crease. Alright, so that we're done with the red, the middle shade, which is the red, the prick one. Now we're gonna move on to the next color, which is the deeper shade. I'm still using the same brush, by the way. Cherry soda right here, cherry soda. Okay, cherry soda is more red, apparently. Girl, what? I'm confused. Confusion. This is why I shaved my eyebrows, cause girl, look at that space I can make with a freaking eyeshadow. And plus I have hooded eyes too, so I need to bring my eyeshadow like more up there rather than like keep it here only. But I need to like really take it to the next motherfucking level, bitch. Pack and blend, that is how you do your eyeshadows. And also when you do your inner like deeper shades, which you put in the inner corner here, just keep it on the outer part here, outer V here. And we also want to keep that shape, you see the winged shape, we don't want it to fade. Okay, that is how you're gonna look. Yup. Let me tell you, when you haven't finished your full face, you're gonna look fucking crazy, like how I look right now. But when it all comes together, girl, we gonna look bomb AF. Okay, period. Now we're gonna move on to the deeper again. Just go deep, 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 and then the most outer later after you fucking it. I'm just gonna move on to this next shade, Blood Sugar right here. The name of this palette, period. Oh, crap. So for the next shade, we're gonna go with Fresh Meat. I'm still using the same brush, honey. Like, y'all don't need so much brush. Actually, I have a lot of brushes, but I'm too lazy to fucking wash it, so. Let me do the other eyes real quick. Woo! Oh my god, look at that. Stunning. Now for the final part. Okay, so we're gonna use something like that. Can you see it? It's like a really dense, packed, small brush, because we want to pack the concealer and cut the crease. I'm gonna show you how to cut the mother and take your concealer and put it on your hand like this. Take your brush, take it, and then do this. You wanna close your eyes and like pack it as close as possible to your lash line, and then look up, and then do this.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get.
You guys see that? Y'all see that small line right there? That is how high we want to like cut the crease until, like, there you go. I will show you what I mean. Okay, after you do that, like, you know how high you want to cut your crease, right? You just follow your eye shape and just, cause it's a half cut crease, so we're not gonna do like a full cut crease. Alright, period. Are you seeing this? Look at this cut crease. Oh my god, girl, it's fucking beautiful, honestly, it's fucking beautiful. Okay, cute, that is freaking cute. That is what we want. That's what we want right there. Now I'm gonna do the other eyes and come back to y'all. I need a fucking concentration and full silence. Okay, so bye. Alright, so I've done my other eyes and both eyes are mother effing done now. Oh my god, look at that. And y'all can see it, the line is pretty harsh. It's not like connected with the shadows that we just did. So I'm just gonna go back to our old brush, this one. And we are gonna take the shade Blood Sugar and Fresh Meat, both of them. Just take both like that. Tap it a little bit. And just start blending both, like the cut crease that we did and the shadow. And that is a mother effing cut crease, period. Alright, period. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna add any kind of shimmer up in here. So we're just gonna finish right there. Okay, so what the fuck was that? Okay, so next I'm gonna move on to eyeliner. This is the one that I'm gonna be using. This is Makeover Hyper Black Super Stay Liner. So when you do your okay, when you do your eyeliner, you wanna like hold your breath, focus, concentrate. Now that is a wing, people. Okay, so now that both eyes are done with the winged liner as well, we are gonna move back on to the eyes. Alright, so for the outer part of the eye, as I told you guys, I am going to be going with the lightest shade. Not exactly, but like, girl, it is. So I'm just gonna go with this Cavity, this pink, really hot pink shade right here. Now I'm gonna put on some lashes. So we're gonna lift our lashes first before we put on mascara and then falsies. So for this, oh girl, this is a dangerous tool. I am so scared it's gonna pop out my eyeball one day. On to mascara. For mascara, I'll be using this Maybelline Colossal Waterproof in the shade Black, period. Cute. So for my falsies, I am using my lashes from Aura Lash in Thunder, and the lash glue is also from Aura Lash, the 18-hour lash glue. Well, fuck. And then just wait for a couple seconds before you put it on. Putting on lashes makes so much difference, as you can see. Okay, when you put on your lashes, you do not want to like put it like straight like that. I always put it a bit angled up, so when it's like, you know, you see this? Like, hello, open your eyes, baby. Alright you guys, so this is the final look for the eye makeup, and now I'm gonna do my base off camera, and I'm gonna come back with a full face on. Okay, period. Alright, so I am back. And I've done all of my face. You know, I'm gonna like prime my lips first before we put on our lipstick. Now that it's luscious and juicy, I am gonna go with Jeffree Star Cosmetics, the Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Alabaster. This lipstick, let me tell you, this is the bomb.com.co.uk.org, girl. Okay, so for my lips, I'm just gonna go a little bit subtle for today. And then I always top it off with a gloss, which I use. This is Fenty Beauty Universal Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Blue. Oh, this is... Lastly, we are going to do our lower part of the eye. I am gonna go with Root Canal right here. Now now we're gonna diffuse the color with O positive right here. Now we are done. Now that I am done, I am gonna come back with a wig on and let's see the full-on transformation. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. How are we feeling? I am feeling gorgeous and cunty and ready to take on the world. Oh my god, girl, I can't. Like, I am fucking living for this shit. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do making it. If you do, please click the like button down below. And also, don't forget to leave a comment down below on what video I should make next. And also, how you think of this video. Leave any kind of comment. And also, if you haven't already subscribed, you want to become a part of my family, my queendom, my queencies, and show some support and love, please click the subscribe button down below. Don't hesitate, bitch. And also click the notification bell so it rings every time I upload a brand new video. And remember to always spread love and slay the day. And I will see you on the next one. Bye. Mwah.